In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide apps on any Android phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So hiding apps is a built-in feature designed to declutter your screen or add a layer of privacy for any sensitive applications you might have, and if you don't want other people seeing them. So what you want to do is long press on an empty area on your home screen, and then on the bottom right, you're going to see the settings wheel cog icon. So go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to be in your home screen settings, and all you want to do is scroll down and select hide apps on home and app screen. So as you can see, it's going to be under add new apps to home screen. So it's going to be like that. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to show you every single installed application that you currently have, whether they're default Samsung ones or ones that you've installed. So all you want to do is select which applications you want to go ahead and hide. And let's just say I want to tap Malwarebytes or Instagram, LinkedIn, anything like that. All I've got to do now is press done on the very bottom, and to open them, I have to manually search for the app name in the Finder search bar, or hide them using the same steps as well. So yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.